Hi friends, today we are going to solve is it a binary tree? Is it a binary search tree problem from the interview preparation kit and the subsection of the trees? So as you know, the binary subtree has few properties that the left node of that root node would always be of a smaller value and the right node would always be a larger value. So this is the concept. So in order to make it work, so we'll create an empty list, and in this list we'll be storing our values according by sorting them. To how to sort it, the basic concept would be we'll perform recursion bst root dot left, then a dot append data. So data would basically give us the value that is stored in the root node, and similarly at last we would be checking whether it is root dot right. So in by this order we'd be able to append all the data in a sorted order in our list. Now once it is sorted, so there are two things to check. One is whether our list contains all single element, because as you know the tree will always contain distinct element, and trees cannot contain always contain unique elements. A tree cannot contain two values which will be of same, two numbers which would have same values. It cannot be possible in a tree. So if set dot a equal to a, then you'll be returning true. Else, and one more thing to consider is that you need to also check whether basically when you would be by this function, the way we have written it, so binary search tree, when you'd be taking out those values, it should always be in a sorted order. So you also need to check whether it is sorted or not. So basic reason of doing this is that the values that we get, so you are checking the values are in sorted order and also contain individual elements or not. So if we run this code, okay, okay, I forgot to do one thing. So first we need to check whether the root element is present or not. So if root, then all this checking. As you could see, it passed all the cases. Let's submit the code. Taking some time. Okay, so as you could see, it passed all the test cases. So basic idea of it is just we need to check whether these are in sorted and are they in a set order or not. So this is a basic way of just to check whether the given values are in a binary search tree or not. So very simple question. And as always, thanks for watching and stay tuned. And please, if possible, please comment below so that any people who is in the platform or who is going to check these solutions could get a much better feedback. I have got some feedbacks regarding to increase the font size. So I'm trying to do all those things. And maybe some people are asking to maybe explain the solutions in a better way. So maybe by using Notepad or by using some paint, I will try to, in difficult problems, I will try to provide them solutions or give some a graphical representation. Those are things I'm trying. So please do comment below and do spread these videos so that everybody who is interested in coding is able to understand. And apart from just showing coding videos, I'm also planning to create more videos on blockchain, machine learning, the things that I do in my office work. Maybe that those things could really help and motivate you. But yeah, thanks for watching.